Hi children, welcome to Yak Sharda Public School, grade 3rd, EVS, topic Human Body, worksheet number 1, activity number 2 and 3. Children, today we are going to learn about external and internal organs and organ systems. Let's see. Our body is made up of several organs. Organs can be internal or external. The organs which are present inside the body are called internal organs. The organs which are present outside of the body are called external organs. A group of organs that work together form an organ system. The human body has different organ systems such as the respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, excretory system and reproductive system. Let's move to activity number 2. Complete the given web chart. It is about internal organs. Here one example has been done for you, that is stomach. In the same way you have to write the internal organs in the boxes. In the same way, it is about external organs. One example has been done for you, that is nose. In the same way, you have to write the external organs in the given box. It is about organ system. Here one example has been done for you, that is respiratory system. In the same way, you have to complete the concept map. Let's move to activity number 3, that is picture talk. Children, I will read the sentences. You have to repeat after me. Respiratory system. Organs that are involved in obtaining oxygen gas from the air and removing carbon dioxide gas from the body form the respiratory system. The nose, windpipe and lungs are the organs of the respiratory system. We breathe through the nose. From the nose, air enters the windpipe. The windpipe takes air to the lungs. When we breathe in, the lungs are filled with fresh air, rich in oxygen. The oxygen then mixes with the blood. The blood carries oxygen to every part of the body. The body uses oxygen to produce energy. Let's move to digestive system. Organs that work together to digest food from the digestive system. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are organs of the human digestive system. We chew food in the mouth. From the mouth, the food passes into the food pipe. The food goes into the stomach through the food pipe. Here, the food remains for a few hours and then goes into a long and narrow tube called the small intestine. As the food passes from the mouth to the small intestine, it breaks down into simple, useful substances. The process of breaking down into simple, useful substances that can be used by the body is called digestion. The process of digestion is completed in the small intestine. The useful substances from the digested food enters the blood and are carried to every part of the body. From the small intestine, the undigested food goes into the large intestine and is removed from the body through the anus. Let's move to circulatory system. The heart, blood and blood vessels form the circulatory system. This organ system controls the flow of blood in the body. The heart works like a pump. The movement of the blood through the blood vessels by the pumping action of the heart is called circulation. The heart makes the sound lub dub as it pumps blood to every part of the body. Blood vessels are of two types, arteries and veins. Arteries carry blood from the heart to every part of the body. Veins bring blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. Let's move to excretory system. Our body works all the time. As it works, it produces waste. These waste mix with the blood. Hence, the blood has to be cleaned. Organs that remove waste from the excretory system. The kidney, ureters and urinary bladder form the excretory system. The blood is cleaned with the help of kidneys and waste from the blood is removed in the form of urine. Thank you, children.